Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. Hopefully, fingers crossed that they don't disappoint me, because it's been a while since Boxycharm has blown me out of the water. So fingers crossed that today's box is amazing. So this is the box for June. When we open it, it looks like this. It has your 5 full-size products and the Boxycharm card, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would see that I didn't get a card last month, so thankfully I did this month, so I can tell you what the price for everything in the box is. So the box looks pretty dang interesting this month. This is what it looks like. So this month's box is pretty heavy, so I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see, which is definitely this right here. This is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, which that's awesome. This is a skincare product. I love her packaging. It's like a pink ombre shade. And this is full size. It retails for $24. So unfortunately, my bottle is like leaking. I'm hoping that this is somewhat sealed. The top doesn't seem to be that dirty, but let's see what happens. This is what it looks like. As a pump, it is a foaming face wash. I've heard good things and I've heard bad things, so I'm definitely going to try this out and let you guys know if I like it or not. But this is a face wash. It says, our luxurious foam face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C, E, and it helps maintain moisture and improves elasticity. So it seems pretty good. We'll see if it is good, because I do have sensitive skin. So the next thing in the box is this Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. I was using First Aid Beauty for my skincare at one point, so I know this is okay with my skin. This is a body scrub, so that's interesting. And it is sealed, so thank God. This is worth $18. It says it is a bump erasing, fast acting, resurfacing body treatment, contains chemicals and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. That sounds very scary. So I'll definitely try this out. I'll put it in my shower and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. So far, I'm a little bit scared because I heard the word peel. That doesn't sound too amusing, but we'll see what happens. The next thing in the box is Tula Skincare. This is a Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. I've seen a couple of things of this skincare line. I really want to try the sunscreen. I was really hoping I would get the sunscreen, but we got the eye balm. This is what it looks like. So when you open it, it has like this weird looking thing right here. I guess it's like a seal. It doesn't smell like anything. It looks really pretty. It's like a baby blue with iridescence in it. So this product is worth $28. It is an eye balm that delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. So I'm definitely down for that. We want a smooth looking under eye, so I'll let you guys know if I like that as well, because I do have a full face of makeup on. I wasn't expecting this box to be full of skincare, but the next thing I see in the box is a cruelty-free item, which I love because I love animals. This is the Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo, so I assume there's 2 products in here in the shade Charming. Oh, okay. Wow, this thing is huge. Look how big that is. Wow, that's big. Okay, so it comes with a lip liner, and this is the shade. Let me swatch it for you. Wow, that's a pink. That's definitely pink. Don't really mess with pinks like that, but we'll see. Wow, that's, what is this, a lip gloss? Let's try it on. Oh, okay. So this is the lip gloss. Very, very pigmented and probably doesn't go with this look. But it feels really good. It's thick. It feels kind of creamy. So I assumed that these would go hand in hand together. I'm going to go ahead and swatch both right next to each other. So that's the lip liner and the lip gloss right next to each other. They do look like a beautiful shade, just not with this look. The lip gloss is huge. Super cute though. Okay, so we have one more item in the box, and that is a palette. I got the Laura Geller Cream to Powder Trio, which is a multitasking eye, lip, and cheek palette. So I'm trying to open it. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Oh my god. Oh. No way, dude. That was a lot harder to open than I would have expected. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch those right next to each other. So that's the trio. It comes with a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight. These shades are actually gonna work for me, so I'm kind of excited about that. Thankfully, they're good shades because I'll get some use out of it. The packaging is really hard to open. That's definitely something that I don't like, but it comes with a nice little mirror, and this retails for $24. So I'll definitely use it up in an upcoming video. It looks pretty good in the shade range that it has. The bronzer isn't too cool toned and it's not too warm toned. That pink is pretty beautiful. It kind of reminds me to a pink blush by Fenty Beauty. It's the cream blushes, but it kind of reminds me of that, doesn't it? The shade right here. I'm not sure. I don't own it, but as of pictures that I've seen online, it definitely looks like it. So that was everything in my box for the month of June. We had a lip liner, a lip gloss, a face wash, a body scrub, a face palette, and an under eye balm. So my final thoughts on this box are definitely that it's better than the last box. I'm excited to use everything that came inside. Definitely let me know what you guys got in your box this month, because I know that there's several variations. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was something laid back, super quick. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.